Hey everyone, want to uninstall Ventoy from your USB drive? Whether you're switching to another bootable USB tool or simply want to use the drive as regular storage again, removing Ventoy is a straightforward process. Keep in mind that uninstalling Ventoy will erase the USB drive, so be sure to back up any important files before you begin. In this full guide, I'll show you exactly how to uninstall Ventoy step by step, so let's get started. First, open your Ventoy USB drive in File Explorer and copy any important ISO files, documents, or other data to another storage device. Once Ventoy is removed, everything on the USB drive will be erased. Next, download the latest version of Ventoy if you don't already have it, then open the Ventoy application with administrator privileges. Verify that the correct USB drive is selected before making any changes. Carefully check the drive letter and storage capacity to avoid accidentally modifying the wrong device. Open the option menu and choose Clear Ventoy or the equivalent removal option available in your version of Ventoy. Confirm the warning message and wait for the process to complete. Once Ventoy has been removed, open Windows Disk Management if the USB drive shows unallocated space. Create a new simple volume, assign a drive letter, and format the partition using a file system such as exFAT or NTFS. Finally, open File Explorer and confirm that your USB drive is recognized as a standard storage device. It should now work like any normal USB flash drive and be ready to store files. And that's how to uninstall Ventoy. After restoring the USB drive to a standard partition, you can use it for everyday storage or prepare it for another bootable USB solution. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.